G'day everybody, my name is Lowell and welcome to the channel. So we have a reaction video for us today. Where you going? We haven't even started yet. Today we're going to do a reaction to Overdramatic Parrots who deserve an Oscar. And what better way to do that than with my own Overdramatic Parrot. So let's jump in. Are you ready to watch this? Yeah, don't call the cat. All right, ready? All right, let's watch this. Oh, wow. Wow, they're big birds. They're much bigger than you are. I know. What are you doing? You call him Pippi. If you haven't watched my show, this is Blue. He is my Indian Ringneck. He does a lot of cooking videos with us. But we'll watch it this one. Shh. All right, you ready? I know. Blue, why can't you do any of these tricks? Hey? I know, we have to teach you a little bit more. I know. We have to teach you. What are you doing? All right, let's have a look.
Welcome to the funniest animals show. Today, we're going to watch
that
some
bird is riding a bike.
That truly deserve an Oscar.
That bird is. Can you ride a bike? No. I know. You can't ride a bike. I could get you to stir. I could get you to stir my coffee. Would you do that? I know. All you want to do is kiss it. I know. You're crazy. I know you're crazy. I know. What's that? Are you watching? That's a little budgie. Oh. Hello.
你不配合，今晚罐罐就都给他俩吃了。
You can't do any tricks. What? What? What trick? The only trick you know is to call the cat in. What? I know. Are you watching? Are you going to pick up some tricks? Is that what you got to do? Are you going to pick up any tricks yourself? You're not learning anything. Look at the size of that Blue McCall. Damn. I know. You watching? Oh my God. What the heck?
For the first time, I saw
Sounds like a chicken.
a parrot making sounds like a chicken.
What the? Are you watching this? Come here. Oh. Oh, look at that. So cute. You gotta watch those cockatoos, I tell you what. Crafty little things. What the heck? Changing the remote. I know.
Oh my God. My Sheila.
Oh. Holy moly. Damn.
Spin.
Oh. I tell you what, those cockatoos are pretty bloody smart. Very, very smart Australian bird they are. I know. Oh.
Parrots are
A cockatoo fighting over magpies? No, corowongs, I think they are.
very clever. They don't share their food with anyone.
Nope. I know, they're very clever. I know. Oh. What the hell is going on in that house? Oh, look, that was just like you. He was actually blue and you're green. But your name is Blue. I know. You're crazy. Oh. Little budgie.
Bro attacked like a boss, but the damage said, nah, I'm on vacation.
Oh. What the? He's gonna fall in there, is he? No. Jesus. Oh my God, how come these birds are all so smart? What happened to you, Blue? What? He's on the top of my chair.
He came with high hopes. He should have been given some food from the plate.
Why can't you do any of this stuff? Come here.
He got very excited
Can
after
you see
seeing
it?
high protein food.
Oh my God. What the heck? Oh. Do you want a haircut? You don't want it? You don't want it? You don't want a haircut? You don't want a haircut? What the hell? The bird's in the car. That's crazy. I know.
Today, he's working as the shop's security guard.
Oh, the old grey parrot. I know. Look at it. Where he going? Oh my God. What are you doing? Come here. Oh. That's a lot of trust between that cat and that parrot. Come here. You come here. Where you going? You got to watch. You got to learn some stuff. You're not learning anything. You got to learn some stuff. I know. Look at that. He's opening up the package and everything.
This parrot that sits on his bike with him and he gives him some Powerade in the cap. Sits here and drinks it while he's riding the bike. That is awesome.
Oh my God, look at all the cockatoos. Holy.
The way he's walking reminds me of how I walked as a child, and my mom used to scold me.
What are you doing? Come here. They look like ground parrots, those ones. Okay. What are you doing? You coming here? Come here. Come here. Are you calling the cat now? I know. Mwah! I know. Come here. Okay. What do you got to do? Nobody can see. Nobody can see you up there. What are you doing? You right? Okay. All right. He's right. You're meant to be watching. I know.
Bridget, give me my pants back now. Give them back.
What?
Give them back.
What? Oh! I don't know if you're supposed to roll on top of the bird. The bird's supposed to get out. Damn.
Osman. Osman gözünü çarpatacaksın Osman. Ay.
A touching moment of affection between the parrot and its owner.
Where you go? Here, come here. What are you doing? You're supposed to be learning new stuff. You're not learning nothing. I know. You gotta watch it. I know they're crazy, aren't they? Is that the bird making that noise? That's a very noisy bird. I know, baby.
The parrot's owner was
What are you
crying,
doing?
and the parrot was enjoying it.
Oh. You want to get your nails done? No? What? Oh, look, that looks like you. That looks just like you.
He's preparing for battle. His
What the
cannonball
heck?
can hit the target perfectly.
What the heck? There's another bird like you, but yellow. That's a yellow bird. I know. That's a naughty bird. Oh. Budgie go around.
Thanks for watching.
I know.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel to get notifications for the next video.
So, we watched this hopefully trying to learn new stuff, but you didn't learn nothing. I know, but they were very funny birds, weren't they? I know. What are you going to learn? Do you want to learn to ride a bicycle? No? You don't want to learn to ride a bike? Come on. I know. You can't just kiss people. You got to learn a new skill. What? Look, calling like a cat is a skill. I know. I know. I know. So what skill are you going to learn? You got to learn a new one? No. It didn't teach you nothing. It didn't teach you nothing, did it? Well, hopefully you enjoyed this looking at Overdramatic Parrots with my own Overdramatic Parrot. He was very well behaved today, weren't you, Blue? I know. I know. You don't need to call the cat. You don't need to call Pippi. I know. You don't need to call. What, you looking for Pippi? She's not in here. She's not in here. All right? I know. Well, we'll say goodbye. Thanks very much, guys, for watching today. I hope you enjoyed that. Some crazy parrots with my own crazy parrot. We'll be back next time. Stay safe, and I'll definitely see you. Don't chew my microphone in the next reaction video. We'll see you then. Oh, you're still here? You want more content? Why don't you check out my Patreon down here? You'll get plenty more content and some exclusive videos over there too. If not, why not check out this one over here?